Keep warm by the fire.
In the snow.
Let me get the dates up. What's today?
December the 23rd. I don't know. Maybe it's for the best. Time will show.
What? Okay, hold on a second.
It works, Trey. It works. Mama!
Huh?
You sure? Look, I didn't hear it.
Don't throw it at the camera, Maggie.
Ma, I'm gonna make a ball, see?
Uh-huh.
And I'm gonna throw it at Jay.
Okay.
Stop it, Maggie!
Come here, Connie. 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 Come here. Connor. Connor. Where is it? Come here. Get up. Connie.
Y'all make a snowman, Trey. Look here.
I'm getting ready to go get something for Maggie.
Where did Jay go?
Around that. Let me go get her. Take it easy, Mag. Why? It's like you got right there.
Well, y'all aren't doing anything.
Wait. Give her a hand.
Hi.
Jay has to get his thing tight. Bring her on in. Pull her up more. Dad, get away from me. I'm about to go to the plant. Stop. I have to turn the thing to work. There, go. Gotta hang on tight. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, go, Trey. Oh, man. Take pictures of this. Hi, Mama. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
We'll make a call.
What y'all doing?
We make a snowman.
Making a snowman.
We're gonna make a tall for Maggie.
A tall one?
Yeah, that was a good idea with this room, man.
I was looking for something to put in the sides, and I saw the broom. Cause I knew something like that would work.
That's what we needed, something to go around the edges.
I was looking for something like a shovel or something. Go like this.
There's some. We can. On top of the thing.
That's gonna be the first top. That's gonna be the third.
Well, it has to be a snowman. You aren't making a snowman. How?
What about I put this on top of this?
Y'all can't.
Yes, we can pick that up.
Can y'all, Daddy?
Chelsea, tell me what you're doing. Making a Toeman.
Mama, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this, Baba. Watch this. Toeman, here's the top Toeman. You want another Toeman? See, we're making this big Toeman.
Tell you what I'll do, though. Bottom, we'll just move it. Yeah, in a minute.
Maggie, don't dump it out.
We're making a snowman. Jay already made one over there. I already made one. Look at that one over there. Jay made a cute little one. Making a big one now.
Jay's
Look at
little
one. Don't
snowman.
knock it down. Look at it. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Me and Mag. Yay!
Yeah.
We cracked it, y'all. I'll get some more.
Just pack a bunch of it around it.
I'll pick. We got more snow like this at home, like more snow than this. At home we got 5 inches now.
There's 5 inches everywhere, Maggie. This is 5 inches too.
Give us a kiss.
Yeah, do you think we ought to make this layer bigger and then put one more on top of it?
We have a good.
Well, that depends on how big y'all want to make it.
No. Yeah, keep it like this.
Okay, what we can do is pack snow all around here. Just have this one layer here and put another one on top of that.
Kathy for a minute. Everybody turn around. Jessica, Alexis, look at Aunt Kathy. Wave. Wave, say hi. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Okay, y'all make a snowman.
Okay.
Alright, let's get to the form
Bye,
first.
you. Go get your hands warm. Mommy, she has paper around her.
Yeah, that's so they won't get wet.
Snowman looks like a robot.
I have a toy person that they give us little things like electric does. No. Jay,
Well, you don't need those if you got boots on.
I have boots on. I got. Okay, now let's get up and show you all my angels. Come see my angel. Mama.
All right, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Yay, good snowman. Don't throw it at my camera, Billy.
Can we go now, Mama?
Yeah, you can go now.
Let's go get some icicles. Daddy got some rocks for his mouth, Mama.
Is anybody cold?
No. No. Mama said we
Chelsea, what is that? What? Turn around and tell me. Say it real loud. Good. You like it?
What do you think, Jay? Think we
He's
need to add
bigger
it to
than
the
you
mouth?
are.